Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mansa Queen. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know I love you. So, what do we have on the menu today? As you guys can see, I got my spread right here. We got some fruits and vegetables, and what you see out there is my juicer. That's my new juicer that I got. So, today I want to give you three of my family's favorite fresh juice that I make for us. Okay, one's my favorite, one's my husband's favorite, and the other one is the kids' favorite. So, if you want to see everything that we're going to put together today, you definitely want to keep on watching. So the very first drink that I'm going to be making today is my favorite, and that is my pineapple apple orange drink. Yes, this is my favorite drink. I love it so much. And here I have some ripe pineapples. As you can see, it's really ripe. That's why it's looking a little darker. And the riper it is, the sweeter it is. So you guys already know this contains a lot of natural sugars, a lot of fiber, and it's going to make our drink delicious and sweet without having to add any sugar at all. Everything here you see is going to be all natural sweetness, which is why I love it. The next thing I'm going to add to mine will be some apples, and I've already cut them into half and took out the cores. So I'm going to put some apples in my drink as well. And also with any of my fruit juices, always like to add some hint of citrus. And the best option for this to keep that sweetness will be some oranges. And I've just cut them in the middle, but I'm going to have to take off the peel because I don't want it to be bitter. Okay. So I'm going to take off the peel and then we will continue with that. And of course, okay, personally, this is a personal preference. I cannot make any juice without some ginger. Ginger, if you watch my, I had a video where I did my ginger recipe, my ginger beer, non-alcoholic. Ginger is a powerful, powerful spice. It contains a lot of antioxidants and it has strong, anti-inflammatory properties. So it's really good for you. That spice just kicks up everything and just makes your drink perfect. So I'm going to be adding some ginger to most of my drinks here. Maybe not the one for the kids, but I'm definitely going to add it here. So this is our first option for pineapple, apple, orange juice. Okay, that's our first option right here. Moving on, this right here is my husband's favorite combination. He is a lover of celery. If you have been watching my videos, you know that I don't really care for it. I feel like the taste and the smell is so strong, I can't really handle it. I tried, but I just can't unless it's cooked. If it's cooked in like a stir fry, I can eat it, or like a salad. But I don't know. I just can't deal with raw celery like this. So he loves it. So I'm going to be making some carrot celery juice for him. So here is my carrots. You know that carrots contain a lot of liquids. Oh my God, when you juice with carrots, you're going to get the most out of it. They contain so much liquids. Now, since we are juicing and not blending it, it's going to take out most of the fiber, but it's really tasty and it's also sweet as well. Really healthy for you. Of course, celery, you can't go wrong with it. Don't be like me. Eat your celery, okay? It's a powerful combination. This is right here is a powerful combination for anything really, because when you're making your broth, all of that good stuff, you always need these two ingredients. So you know you can't get wrong. And I'm also going to be adding some ginger in his drink as well. I tried it for him the last time, and at first he was reluctant, but when he tried it, he was like, oh yes, babe, you got to be doing this all the time. So yes, I'm going to be adding some ginger for him and a little bit of orange as well to give it some sweetness, because the carrot alone is not as sweet. So I'm going to add a little bit of orange to his as well. Now for the babies, oh my God, this is a favorite. So I don't know, some of you guys that have kids, do your kids really like this Capri Sun? Capri Sun, the strawberry kiwi or whatever flavor. My kids really like Capri Sun and they like the strawberry kiwi. But we all know that, this is just flavored water beverage. It does not contain as much or maybe none of these. So I figured since they really like this, I'm gonna make them, from scratch. Some strawberry kiwi, and I'm telling you, they love it. They love it, and I know exactly what I'm giving to them. So I still have this at home, but I'm gonna be making this for them a lot more since they enjoy it, and I know that I know exactly what they're putting in their mouths. Okay, so this is theirs, and I'm gonna add some lemon. I mean, some orange to theirs as well. They really like it, and it adds the sweetness to it. Sometimes I even add apples for them, but today I'm just keeping it strawberry kiwi and add some of that. Okay, I'm not putting any ginger because they cannot really tolerate the spice. Maybe I can, I can sneak in a little bit, but we'll see. So that is what we have going on today. And over here, I have my juicer. This is the juicer that I got from Amazon. Let me show you right now. That's my juicer right there, guys. It is Hamilton Beach. It's a pretty decent brand. As you can see, this is their feeder, and you use this to push the foot down. Now, the only thing I do not like about this particular juicer is it does not come with the container that holds the juice while you're juicing it. So, which means that you have to have a glass, tuck it right in there and collect it. And I'm telling you, so many times I have started juicing and forgot to put this, and I wasted all of my carrots and all of my good veggies and fruits. So if you're considering getting a juicer and you don't mind, that's fine. It's very affordable. It's from Amazon, and it was actually recommended by my good sister here on YouTube, KJ Care World. You guys check her out. She's a mom vlogger, and she does a lot of lifestyle, cooking, as well as some fitness videos. Yeah, so thank you, KJK. I really love it. The power is so strong. I think the motor is really powerful because it can crush anything I put in there. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I bought this with my own money, and I'm just going to be using it today. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to start with is the kids' strawberry and kiwi. I have peeled some of the kiwi. The rest I just left them there. I mean, it's gonna juice, and the pulp and the skin is gonna come out, so it's okay. You guys, we're not even done, but look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so rich. It looks so good. Oh, the kids are gonna be so happy when they come back. So let's keep going. I'm not done yet. As you guys can see, this is what I was talking about. So it filled it up all the way, but it's about to pour out. But it was exactly what I needed. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to add in some orange for them as well. This is what I just poured out. So I'm going to add some orange. And there we go, guys. We got a strawberry, kiwi, and oranges. It is so nice and thick. Let me taste it. It's delicious. The kids are going to be happy. So let's move on to the next one. Next, I'm going to be doing my apple, pineapple, and orange juice. This is my apple. And I'm using the red apples, as you can see. So this is my apples that I just blended. Next, I'm going in with the pineapple. Guys, take a look at this pineapple juice. Oh goodness, it looks so good. I can't resist it. I gotta taste it. Mm. Wow. There's nothing like homemade, guys. All right, we keep moving. Now I'm gonna do some oranges and some of my ginger. Now I like lots of ginger. Feel free to do whatever you like. If you like less ginger, just cut down on it. If you don't even want it, you could just omit it. Just be creative with all of this. This is just what I like to do. So just play with fruits that you like, and you'll be able to enjoy it as well. All right. And this right here is my ginger and orange. I can already smell it. It smells so good. Look at that. Just take a look at that. Man, whoever invented all of these need a whooping. They need a whooping, guys, because I've been spending my money on all these kitchen gadgets. Oh boy. I want to sit down on the floor and cry. That's how good it is. This is by far my favorite. Oh my goodness. I think my kids are going to like this because my 4-year-old, well, soon to be 4-year-old, really likes ginger as well sometimes. So, guys, this is my favorite. You got to try it, okay? Try it and let me know how you like it. Last but not least, we're going to go with Hubby's favorite, which is our carrot celery. And of course, we're going to add some ginger to it. So let's get started with that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, please click on that subscribe button. And also give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my videos. You guys, look at that. Look at the carrot and ginger. This is so yummy. You can just drink it as is, or just a carrot on its own. But now I'm gonna blend and juice the celery now to add to it. And here you go. That's all I got from the celery, which is fine. It's just him drinking it. He likes the carrot to be more than the celery, of course, so this is perfect for him. So I'm just gonna blend everything together, and I will show you guys the finished product of all 3 drinks, and I'll be right back. And guys, this is what we were able to come up with. As you can see, it's looking really pretty. I love it. And I use these containers, these mason jars, in my ginger beer recipe. I would link that on the cards and also in the description box. I got it from Ross, so I don't have a link for it unfortunately, but I guess you can look on Amazon. They have different types out there. So yeah, this is my pineapple, apple, and orange drink. Actually, this one and this one, they're both the same because I had a lot. So I'm getting a double treat because I'm mom. This is the kids' strawberry and kiwi drink. As you can see, it's just settling on the bottom, which is totally fine. So you can just use the straw and just give it a good stir before you drink out of it. So I know they're gonna be excited. And this right here is Hubby's favorite, which is his carrot and celery drink. You guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video because I had fun creating it, okay? Feel free to recreate any of these. Let me know what you would mix. What kind of fruits or vegetables would you put together for your family? What are their favorites? And maybe I can have some ideas because I always like to play with my ingredients and see what I'm going to come up with. So on that note, I'm going to let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, stay safe. I love you all.